Please, how are you all? Welcome to Brahma Writings. Today we will discuss something about window functions. Using window functions, we can do many things like running totals, moving averages, ranking, first and last values. We can calculate standard deviation and we can calculate variance. Okay. I can also tell you some use cases actually. The use cases will be like this. We can calculate total sales for each month, average price for each product, ranking the employees based on the salary, finding the first and last date of the month, calculating standard deviation of weight for each product, calculating the variance of prices of each product. Okay, let's discuss more about ranking functions for today. Okay, let's assume there are three major ranking functions within the window functions. The first one is rank, the next one is dense rank, then the third one is row number. Okay, I will tell you the difference actually. So let's assume there is one table having student ID and student total marks. Okay, now I want to give the students ranks actually based on the total marks. I just want to give them the ranks. Okay, so if I use the dense rank, the output will be like this. If you use the rank, it will skip the sequence actually. If you observe something here, for 100, rank gave rank 1, rank function gave rank 1, and for 99 there are 3 records actually, it gave 222, and for the 5th record it gives 5 because it skips the sequence. When you use dense rank, the story will be different and it won't skip the sequence. Hope you got the difference between rank and dense rank. And when you use row number, the story will be like this. Irrespective of similarity and all, it gives some random number, and it will be, the output will be like this. Okay, let's create and go through some practical stuff on rank, dense rank, and row number. Okay, I'm creating a table. The table name is Brahma X, and I'm taking ID, name, age, salary as columns. Okay, coming to ID, I'm taking data type as integer, and it is not null. I don't want to put any null values in the ID column. Okay, the name should also be not null, and age is integer, salary should be double. Primary key, you know, right? Primary key is, it's all about having no null values and no duplicates. Okay, it should be unique. Okay, we will discuss that concept later. So I'm creating a table now. So it is already there. Let me use or replace. So when you use create or replace, if it is there, it will replace it. Okay, so I have created the Brahma X table successfully. Now I just want to insert few values into Brahma X table. Okay, for all the columns. So let me insert. Now I just want to see if there are records inserted into Brahma table, Brahma X. I'm just checking them. Okay, so there are 12 records inserted, and now I just want to add a new column named department. Okay, for that, you know, right, we can alter the table whenever it is required. Alter table, a table name, add. This is the a new column that I wish to add, and this is the data type. So now I'm adding this. So it is already there, but I am executing it again. Now, so I just newly added one column, right, department. So I need to give a department values actually. Now I need to add or insert values to newly added column, that is department. So I thought of using where ID in, but this is the best approach. When you have few columns to insert and another will be different department. This is the best approach. You can update the table, set the column is equal to case when IDs are in this. You can, I'm giving IT department, there's all IDs will be belongs to HR. So this way I'm updating department table, department column values. Okay. Now let's get into a real story. Now I just want to fetch the records for ID, name, department, salary, and rank, dense rank, and row number. On the same table, I'm trying to find the rank, dense rank, and row number, so that you will come to know what exactly will happen when we use a rank, dense rank, and row number. So the output is like this. So now let's see at rank for now. Okay. So I have duplicates here. I have two similar, I cannot say duplicates, but there are two employees having similar salary, that is 10,500. Rank, using rank, it gave us same rank for the both. See, it should give the 10 for the next record, but it is giving 11. So whatever I mentioned, right, whenever you use the rank function, it will skip the sequence and it gives us non-consecutive numbers. Okay. Next, if you use the dense rank, if you see here, it gave 8, and it gave the for the next record it gave 9 actually. So there is no skip here for sequence. Okay. Now when you see the row number, it has given something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 12. Okay, up to 12. For 12 records, it won't take care of duplicates and all. Okay, based on the entry and inputs of the data into the table, it gives us the row number. Okay, this is how the rank and dense rank works. Now, so there is one more option: partition by. This is the class where we can make use along with window functions to divide the result set into number of groups. So this is where we do some grouping actually. Okay, so I have taken department, right? Now I am going to use this department into partition by. So whenever I if I use partition by and I execute some query, it will give us the result based on the department. It will group the result based on the department. We have two departments, right? One is IT and another one is HR. So here in this query, what I'm doing, I'm selecting ID, name, department, and I'm taking rank, dense rank, and row number. Okay, based on the partition by department. So initially it gives us one for one particular department. Later it will give us for another department. Let's see. See, it grouped. Initially it gave for IT and at the end HR department. Okay, so grouping happened. Next, now I just want to calculate top 3 salaries based on the employee's salary. Okay, based on the employee salary, I just want to calculate the top 3 salaries. Now the query will be like this: select ID, name, salary, department, rank. From I'm writing some subquery here. Subquery: select star, comma, dense rank over order by salary descending as a rank from Brahma X. I'm putting that entire output into yes, where I'm taking where, and I'm trying to get the top 3 ranks actually. Let me execute it. See, it gave me top 3 ranks based on the salary. Unfortunately, all are from HR. Okay. Now I just want to calculate top 3 salaries based on each department. Now I will use partition by. Okay, the same query we will use. We will add partition by department, nothing else. See, For HR, these are the top three salaries, and for IT department, these are the three top three salaries. Okay, this way we can make use of rank, dense rank, and row number. Hope you understand the concept of ranking in window functions. And if you have any questions, you can ping me. I will try to answer for that as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.